can do anything to help you out. So cross tabulation category for very well. You do the cross. Conclusion is not just about this particular. This is the cross tabulation. Multivariate analysis is time. And by doing the—
Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be— I thought I was literally on Zoom when I was saying that. I thought that everyone could hear me, but I was not on Zoom. Today's video we are going to be doing a nighttime routine for college. So I thought I would take you guys with me throughout my night. If you guys are not subscribed, definitely subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see a little bit more of my day-to-day life, like as it's going on. Just got out of my Zoom class. Today's a Thursday, so on Thursdays, I mean, this has only happened one other time, but we're trying to make it like an every Thursday thing. My friend and I want to go on a little walk. Just, you know, we spend time together, we exercise. It's a win-win. We are planning on going on like a little walk together. It's so fun. I don't know why I said it like that. I'll show you guys my outfit. Oh, I need to put the jacket on. It completes the look. Put her on. Okay, here's my outfit. I wore this yesterday as well, and that's why there's like a nice little stain right there. But yeah, this is like, oh my gosh, the collars pop. Oh no, this is so embarrassing. Don't judge me. I don't wear it like this. So I was literally wearing this outfit, and then I was cold, so I put this jacket on, and I was like, wait, this is like low-key cute. A lot of people are asking me, Princess Polly. It's like adorable little thing. This is from Garage. It's like the best tank top ever. These are my favorite sweatpants ever from Victoria's Secret Pink. They're like the Gay Pride collection. Love it. I think I'm actually gonna change. I don't know what the weather is like. It's cold, then it's hot, then it's cold, then it's hot. So I might wear like leggings and a tank top and then bring a jacket so I can like tie it around my waist if I need to. If it's not a Thursday and I'm not going on a walk, there's literally two things that I will do. I will either go to the gym and just like walk on the treadmill and like listen to Taylor Swift, or I will take a nap. There is no in between. There's nothing else that I will do besides those three options. That's it during this time right now. It's 3:54 and we're gonna get dressed. Oh my god. Where's my jacket? It's probably dirty. Is that gross? I mean, I've been wearing this outfit like 2 days in a row. I'm going through dirty laundry. Is that disgusting? I think there's a sticker. Where did this sticker come from? It wasn't meant to be. No, I feel like I should find it. No. So this is my outfit. This is the closet door that almost killed my hand. Outfit of the day. I'm not wearing a bra. I hope that doesn't become a problem. I'm trying to decide if I want to bring water or not. I'm so annoyed. The second I got in my car, my camera battery died. So take two. Okay, let's try this again. I need to find directions. I drive to her. Is it bad lighting? I drive to where she lives because we live kind of far away. I'm like, maybe close enough to walk, but like I'm too lazy to walk. Just drive there, and I need to put it in the GPS because I don't know how to get there. Okay, anyways, hi! I just went on my little walk. I really wanted to make something with Alfredo sauce. My Alfredo sauce had mold in it, which was disgusting. So then I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna go back to Trader Joe's if they have moldy Alfredo sauce. So I'm here at Fry's, and then I was also like, okay, I'll get chips because that's fun. Also, don't worry, I wore a mask the whole time when we were walking around. It was like low-key hard while on the hike because I'm like not very fit, and then the mask on top of it was like So I guess I want to know who's having an Alfredo party and buying out all the Alfredo in the city of Tempe. Who? Yeah, this was gonna be like a fun video where I like make food, but now I'm kind of annoyed that I'm wasting my time. I'm getting hangry. I'm considering just going to Chipotle, or I could go to Cafe Rio, which also sounds equally as good, but Cafe Rio is in the same complex as Trader Joe's, so I'm like, if I'm there, I might as well check for Alfredo, then I won't need Cafe Rio, so I'm like, I don't know, but Cafe Rio does sound better. You know what, I'm getting Cafe Rio. I decided. shy. Oh my god. I was like, I hear a man with Aspen. Who is it? No, I wanted to lock the door so I could hear him like as he was opening. I was like, who is he?
Just me.
Honestly, he's better than if you brought some random home.
Agreed.
Did you find the chips?
No, I went there for Alfredo. I went to 2 different grocery stores. They were all sold out of every bottle of Alfredo in Tempe.
Why?
And then I couldn't find the chips. So I was like, fuck it. I don't have the mental capacity. So now I'm eating Cafe Rio and I'm recording myself eat it.
Bye.
I was gone for so long. I was trying to find that Alfredo for over an hour. I'm home. Food baby. Anyways, normally what happens is my roommates and I will like all make dinner at the same time and we'll eat it together and watch the Kardashians. Today's a little bit of a different day than normal because one of my roommates is at work, another one is going out and she's having people over. So we're not really like doing what we normally do on like our casual lazy night. It's okay because I'll still be doing what I'm doing on a casual lazy night. They don't have to be doing it with me. So our apartment provides us Wi-Fi and our unit's Wi-Fi has been out for a really long time. We told them about that. They're like, we don't really care. So my TV has not been working for a really long time because of this. We've been trying to connect to our neighbor's Wi-Fi and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't because it's kind of farther away. There's so many people on it, but I'm literally annoyed that this keeps happening. So I just unplugged and plugged in my TV. We'll see if that does anything. I doubt it, but here's to hoping. I'm saying that it won't connect to any Wi-Fi, but I have a feeling that it just doesn't want to. Here we are. I got it to work. Literally all I needed to do is just unplug and plug it. Now I need to get this to work. That is my accomplishment of tonight. That's my nightly thing. Before the end of the night, I always make sure to look over my to-do list as well. Today was a pretty easy day for me. I didn't really have that much going on. So I finished everything. Well, I didn't do that. I don't feel like doing that. Just finished getting ready for bed. I watched some TV with my roommates and now my favorite part of the whole night is my alone time. I had a little bit of alone time today when my roommates weren't like eating dinner all together, but normally we watch TV till about like 10 or 11. It's 10:55 right now and then we all start heading out to bed and then I like to just like sit in my room and watch some TV, go on my phone, just like have some alone time before I fall asleep because I think it's good for me. I'm kind of needing to clear off my bed. I think I'm literally gonna go to bed in this. It's like an everyday thing where I wear pajamas all day and then I just sleep in them. And that's how I wear the same outfit 5 days in a row. Gross, I know, sorry. Turn him off, that probably needs to be angled. No, let's get in bed. You can see it now. Water, that's out of water. Nope. For the best part of the whole night, light off. Okay, now it's pitch black. Can you even see me? I have no idea what it's gonna turn to. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I hate that. literally 2 seconds later, but I fixed it. Where's my remote? One thing that's bad about this is it's so dark in here. Beautiful. So glad I got this all to work. It hasn't worked in so long. The shows that I'm watching recently, I really want to watch the Emily in Paris show. No, it's not working. I have no idea if this is gonna work now, but basically the shows that I watch at night are Sex and the City, or I will watch, I'm almost done with that show, some kind of like Hulu show. I'm gonna set my alarms and go to bed after this if it's just not gonna work. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, keep up with my life, keep you updated if this ever works. Thanks for watching. I love you.